Guys, you got to see this. Nano banana is the latest trend which is viral and sweeping all over the social media because it turns your photographs, your selfies into a hyper realistic 3D model figurines in just few seconds. Want in? Well, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Himanshu. You're watching GetAssist, and today let's dive in to make yours using the Nano banana in Gemini. So let's get started. You have to go to Google AI Studio or the Gemini app or go to the website and select the Try Nano Banana option officially in Gemini 2.5 Flash images. See this banana image option here. Tap on it. Now upload a clear photo or selfie. Use a full body picture, it's recommended for better results. Input the prompt, use a detailed prompt recommended by Gemini. For example, I am mentioning 3 different prompts for you in the pinned comment and you can copy and paste it from there. Hit the run button and the AI will generate your figurines in seconds. Check it out. If it doesn't feel right, just tweak the prompt or customize it according to you or change the photograph. See, here's the result. Now you can download your creation and post it online anywhere you want to. You can also export it for a 3D printing to have a realistic model for you. And that's how you can join the Nano Banana craze, which is all over the internet. It's free, it's easy, and it's fun. Just give it a try. And if you find this video useful, just hit the like button, comment down your thoughts and queries, and what else, just subscribe to our channel for more such content, and I'll meet you in the next one.